Welcome back, YouTube. Thanks for coming and checking out another Fat Guy Builds episode. Today, we got something for the baby. It's still a car, but it's pretty cool. So, we have a Lamborghini Power Wheel that's also remote control, so I can drive around. Check it out. So it's a Lamborghini Sian. I don't know how to say it. Green with them gold wheels. Supposedly it has lights and everything, so I'm gonna unbox this and see what it looks like. Alright, open her up. Damn, look at that. Alright. The foam out. There is some stuff in the middle that we have to assemble. Not quite sure what's in there yet. Oh, there's no wheels on it. Alright. So I'm assuming something in here is wheels. First thing we're gonna do is empty everything, and then we'll start putting it together. So, hey, you can't drive it yet. Oh, there's a pin. You can't drive it yet, buddy. Look at this beautiful steering wheel. Carbon fiber and black leather. Got these Lamborghini carbon fiber mirrors. Look at that. Can you see yourself? Look, it actually has directions. So we use these directions. And we put a washer before we put the wheel, a washer after we put the wheel, and then the cotter pin. The wheel with this cog are the rear wheels, and this is the front wheel. On the front wheel, you're gonna put a washer, then the wheel, then another washer, then a cotter pin. Now you're going to take the rim, you're going to line it up with the little notches and the holes, and you should just press it in. Yeah. Just work it around till it's flush, like so. For the rear tires, you're going to put a washer, the tire, a washer, and a cotter pin. So the side mirrors, you just have this triangle cutout that matches this. You're going to slide it in and then push until it clips. Now we're going to do the steering wheel. Steering wheel has this connector on this side, this connector on the wheel, and then this is keyed. So if the wheel's straight and the steering wheel's the right side up, it should just slide in. When you plug it in, it should match colors. So it goes red, black, yellow, red, black, yellow. Then we're going to slide this down into the steering. This goes the right side up. And bam! Works good. It's not going to come off. So, we have a tinted windshield. Very illegal. But it's alright because it's a Lamborghini. So it has these tabs. It looks like 4 in the front, 2 on the sides. And you'll line those up with the holes here. Just push it in all the way around. Make sure all of them are clipped in. The paint is a metallic finish, green. At least this version. We got carbon fiber on the rear wing. Carbon fiber look here. This whole area, it's all carbon fiber. Got the carbon fiber mirrors, of course. Now you have headlights that turn on when you turn the car on. And you have tail lights. It's pretty awesome, huh? So this runs off 12 volts. I will be making update videos. I will be upgrading the battery first to 12 volt with lithium batteries, 18650s. Then I will bump it to 18 and 24 volts with a hidden switch that I'll have. And then finally, I'm going to try to find upgraded brushless motors, as well as RC car transmitter receiver controls, and all the goodies to actually make it variable, all the goodies to make it a variable speed. So that's good. Instead of having a high-low, you'll be able to control the actual speed with the controller. Nobody can drive. You can't see through that.
He's ready.
Wait, I gotta put the seat in. It's dangerous. No, look, the door's open. How are they open? There you go. Look at that. Oh, snap! It has a hydraulic, so you can be stunned. Here, buddy. Let me open the door for you. Here, hold the camera. Come on. There you go. Get it.
Is that okay if he lands on that?
It's fine. Alright. You gotta wait, buddy. I'm almost ready for you, okay? Almost. Don't cry. I'm doing it right now. I'm doing it. Alright, shut them doors. Alright. When it comes with the battery disconnected. So you're going to want to slide that on. Okay. Battery charger right here. Not sure why there's screws here yet. I guess let's find out. Oh, because I'm actually supposed to take the screws out, and the seats have tabs. So let me go get a Phillips screwdriver and take them out. So the way you change the modes, let me open the door so I get a better look here. So you have a mode button, volume. This actually puts the track forward, pause and play, and track back and volume down. To do the volume, you hold the button, and if you want to change a track, you push it. Then there's an aux cable too, if you want to plug in something with an aux cable. So what I'm going to do here is put mode.
Bluetooth mode.
So it's Bluetooth mode. And then here, that says it's connected when it makes that noise. So there's some music to go with cruising with your doors open.
Girl, I've been shaking and moving, trying to get to you.
You want to change it. just click it, it skips it.
Hot air, so hot in here.
And then the middle one pauses it. It's freaking awesome. I'd like to thank everybody for coming and checking out another Fat Guy Builds episode. If you want to see more videos on a whole bunch of other stuff, check me out on Patreon. Donate $1 a month. Help a brother out. The more I have, the more videos I can make, and the more stuff you can watch. So we'll have more videos of my son being all happy, doing some donuts and stuff. And till next time, wrench on.